video. Today we're going to be doing some sweater nails. So please bear with me. I have never done them before. So this is going to be my first attempt with you guys. So I'm going to do red bases. So this one is Lavender Violets and it is, you can't really see it there, but it is D106. So I'm just going to put a base coat down on all of these nails. I'm not using clear ones this time. I'm using them up basically because in the first lockdown I decided that I was going to do some press on nails, but it's far too much of a faff. So I have all these nails to use up. So I thought, as I don't need it to be clear underneath, I will use them for this video. Yeah, so some of my clients have had press on nails in lockdown, but I've not done many of them, but some of my regulars have requested some, so I've done them for them, obviously. But yeah, I mean, it's a minefield going into press-ons, it really is. And actually, we're in lockdown too, as I'm doing this. So I have no clients tonight because they're not allowed to come to me. And we are in November. We don't know at the moment whether we're going to be able to do Christmas nails. We've probably got another couple of weeks left yet when I'm filming, whilst I'm filming this, as to whether we are going to be allowed to do Christmas nails or not. And quite frankly, it'll be a shame because this is my first Christmas as a qualified tech. So I was really looking forward to doing customers' nails for Christmas. But it seems we might not be able to. So if that is the case, you will just have to put up with me doing all of these on here. So I'm going to pop all those in the lamp to cure. And once they're cured, I'll come back. Okay, so we're going to do the sweater nail first. Now I've gone in here and used a matte top coat. You didn't need to watch me do that, but it's just Beetles Top It Off matte top gel. I've put it in the lamp, I've cured it, and we're ready to go. Now the reason I've done that is because it's easier to see when we're painting the same colour on here, because we need to know where we're going with it. Okay, so I've got some of this on my palette, and I'm just going to do a series of little lines. And I'm really sorry if this looks rubbish. I have never done it before, and although I'm usually good with lines, I think this is going to be quite hard. And generally I've got a steady hand, but it's hard to do lots of little lines together, lining up like soldiers. Sorry if I'm quiet, I am concentrating. And apparently we have to do this and connect them up. To make it look like a sweater nail somehow. And then I can go in and tidy it up now that I've got the base there, I guess. And just make it a little bit bulkier. And I'm just going to smooth it a little bit. So it's not so harsh. I hope you can see I'm not doing the greatest job in the world. But like I said, it's my first time doing it. and yeah, it's trickier than it looks. So, I mean, it's not bad, is it? It could be better. It certainly could be better, but I guess practice. So I do need some, before I go any further, I am going to get my acrylic powder. That's my scooper. And then I'll do the next bits. I'm going to do it bit by bit, otherwise I'm going to ruin it. So on goes my acrylic. I'm going to pop that in the lamp. I'll be back in a sec. So I've just dusted it off, and now I'm going to do some stripes. Oh geez, like, what the hell am I doing today? Like, this is just torture. Just tidy that up a little bit, because it looks shocking. And then I'm going to do the same on the other side, hopefully. I say hopefully because I haven't got a bloody clue if it's going to match. It might look shocking. No, it is slightly thicker than perhaps I wanted. So I am just going to go in with my clean-up brush. Some isopropyl alcohol just to clean up that edge, because that one's thicker here. So I'm just cleaning it up, making it a little bit thinner, because I don't want it that fat. Okay. So again, acrylic. Maybe I should have used white. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, I think I missed that bit there. Make sure we got it all. Pop it in the lamp. Back in a sec. Okay, so I've just dusted him off, and now I'm going to go in on the edges with my dotting tool and do some dots. Easy peasy, she says. And then again, in with the acrylic. God, I'm getting it everywhere. Oh joy. Pop it in. Okay, so this is what he looks like when he comes at the lamp, and I'm just going to dust him off and let you see. There we go. I don't know whether you can see that very well. So there's the sweater nail. Pop that to one side. Go with the other ones. Okay, so the next nail I'm going to do some stamping. So I've got this plate here from, MoYou. It's a Noel collection. I don't know whether they still sell them anymore. This is the Noel collection 06. So we're going to go in with this one. So I'm going to use these little starry things here And then I'm probably going to use either the stag or the trees. I've not decided yet. So, okay, so I've got my white here from yours. And let's give this a go. I've not done stamping for a long time. And then it's picked up fairly well. Pop it on the nail. I do need more, so I'm going to have to go in again and do it. Need some acetone to clean that off. Go in again. And I just need to cover that corner up there. So one more time. There. And now I'm going to go in and just get that off there. And then I think maybe the stag, this guy here, let's give that a go. It's picked up quite nicely, apart from that bit there. See, if I don't hurry up and get it on, it's gonna, let's pop him in the middle. There, he looks cool, doesn't he? So that's that one. I'm going to clean this up and I'll come back for the next one. So for the next one, I'm going to use this one. This one is also from MoYou, and this is their Snow Collection 04. And I'm just going to use this one here. I don't want all that on there, so I'm going to get rid of it. Place it on the nail. And then I'm going to get one more, I think. Bit of acetone. Oh. Clean that off. And go in again. I don't need to get rid of the excess, I don't think, because I'm just going to pop it here on the end here. Or do I? Oh, there's a little bit there that I don't like. Just get rid of that there. So pop that on like that. That's our other snowflake. And then for the final nail, I'm just going to use like a shimmery top coat. This one's from Blue Sky and it is called Silver VIP. So it's quite nice, it's not too overpowering. And it will go with the rest of the set. So I'm just going to pop that on so it's sparkly. So we have to have a little bit sparkle at Christmas, don't we? And then pop that in the lamp. And then I'm going to go ahead and top coat. I'm not going to top coat my sweater nail because I like it matte, but if your client doesn't like the texture, then you could by all means go ahead and top coat that. So I am going to take my snowflake now. Now you do need to be careful when you're top coating, when you've been stamping, because if you're not careful you can drag it. So you literally need to float it over, don't drag. Float, float, float. Okay, no draggy, draggy, draggy. Floaty, floaty, floaty. Okay. Make sure that you get your free edge on your side walls. Okay, pop that one in the lamp. And then I've got my sparkly one here, which I'm just going to top coat, and then pop that one in the lamp. Now for my stag, I think I'm going to use matte for this one. So we'll use the Beetles matte, top it off. Remember, floaty, floaty, not draggy, draggy. Okay, gentle. Pop that in the lamp. Okay, so all the nails are done now. There's your glittery one. There's your sweater nail. Snowflake with a glossy top. And stag with a matte top. So here is our finished set, guys. What do you think? Can you see that sweater nail very well or not? I don't know whether I should have used a white acrylic. I don't know whether that would have made a difference. If you know if it'd make a difference, let me know. Comment down below if you've done this design before and it works better with white acrylic rather than clear. This one has got a slight shimmer to it, so yeah. If you like this video, guys, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment down below and let me know what you thought. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.